I want to tell you about something that we've been selling for the last year or so, and it's a product that actually competes directly with K18, which, if you don't know what that is, it's the market leader in a leave-in mask or bond builder for the hair. And what it does is it renews, restores, and restructurizes the hair, and just basically within minutes, it actually rebuilds the bonds and restores that hair and gives it silky, shiny, healthy hair. Well, the problem with the K18 is that it's a 1.7 ounce size bottle that retails for $75. And for a lot of people, especially with the economy the way it is, that is a lot of money. One of our companies developed this new product that goes head to head with K18, and it's called ReBond. If you're one of my customers that already uses this product, then this may not really apply to you, because this is a special promotion that we're doing for people that haven't really tried it. And so it originally started out with just the leave-in mask, and that was the only product they had. And basically it works exactly like K18. So if you're a K18 user, the instructions and everything were exactly the same. You shampoo, towel dry the hair, you put a small amount from root to tip, and then you just comb it through, and then you wait 4 minutes before you do any styling. You don't condition afterwards. Just leaves the hair amazing. So after you blow dry or whatever, the hair just looks and feels amazing. And it'll last that way until, probably a few days, and then you'll have to do it again. But the nice thing about it is, versus a bond builder that you're putting in your chemicals, or your bleach formula, this is something that you put in the hair as a styling aid. In just 4 minutes, it's a leave-in miracle bond building mask that repairs, restores, and renews the internal bond structure of the hair that has been damaged by bleaching, chemical services, coloring, the environment, or heat styling. It protects from future damage and styling and breakage, while leaving the hair healthier, soft, shiny, and smooth from the very first use. Since it originally came out, in the last probably 6 months, they came out with a shampoo and conditioner to go along with it. Now, I've got people that started using the shampoo and conditioner, and they just think it's the greatest thing that was ever created. And a lot of them are saying that, a lot of clients can actually use just the shampoo and conditioner and get amazing results just from using those two things. It has a patented ingredient called FIBERENEW. It's a professional strength ingredient technology that repairs and rebuilds disulfide bonds while also strengthening the hydrogen and salt bonds. Now, according to them, and I don't know how true this is, but this is something that the K18 or Olaplex does not do. So this has a triple bond action that ensures optimum condition for all hair types and textures. So the key points is it reverses damage and aging, gives you noticeable results after a first use, strengthens, softens, and smooths, patented bond repair technology. It's vegan and cruelty-free. It's a professional strength in a retail product for all hair types, and it's great for 100% human hair extensions. So if you do hair extensions and you haven't used a product like this, then your hair extensions will just be amazing. So the whole point of this video is not for my current customers, because they already know how great this product is, but if you haven't tried this, then we're going to be offering an amazing deal to try all 3 products. And I'm not going to announce the price here, but it's a 25% savings off the normal price. You're going to get the shampoo and conditioner and the mask in the full size. Now, by the way, the mask, compared to the K18, it's a 3 ounce size bottle versus 1.7 ounces. And it's about half the price. It's a great value, and it does exactly and more of what the K18 does. I can only sell you one of these deals per person. And if you're a current customer of mine, I'm sorry, I cannot sell this to you. This is a special deal. Now, also remember, for the people that are already using this, we do have our holiday shampoo and conditioner duo kits out already, and that's a great savings on the shampoos and conditioners. Plus, we have special deals on just the mask alone, where you buy 6 and you get a free back bar size mask. So keep in mind, we've got deals for current customers as well, but this particular deal is for new customers only. But I want to get this video out and just let you know, this is something that you want to jump on right now, because right around the corner is our holiday selling period. So you need to be thinking about that. Start thinking about preparing for the holidays, because before you know it, it'll be here. Before you know it, it'll be here, and then you won't be ready to take advantage of all the great deals and also get these products in your customers' hands. They might as well be buying them from you instead of online or somewhere else. Take this opportunity to take action, try this product for yourself, and see what it can do. And if you haven't tried the mask, I've got plenty of mask samples to give out. So that right there alone will tell you how great the product is. And one packet will do 2 or 3 applications. So please, please try this today. And if you're not one of my customers, please don't contact me. I can't sell it to you. And if you're a retail customer, ask your stylist for this, because they are getting deals for this, and so they will be passing the deals on to you as well. Thanks for watching. Take advantage of it now. You won't regret it. I guarantee it.